To get things started, I just added a cell phone clip to my project. Now the first thing we need to do is right-click inside the project pane. Hover over a new item and select Black Video. Set the width and height to 1080 by 1080. Click OK. Drag your new black video onto your timeline. Then drag your cell phone video onto the timeline. Right-click your cell phone clip and select Scale to Frame Size so that we get its original aspect ratio. Next, we're going to duplicate our cell phone clip by holding down the Alt key and clicking and dragging it onto the track above. Now select your original cell phone clip and then go up to Effect Controls in the Motion area. Increase the scale so that we get a zoomed-in effect. Next up, go to the Effects tab in the search box. Type Gaussian Blur. Drag the effect onto your zoom-in clip. Go back up to the Effect Controls for that clip and increase the blurriness to your liking. Now this looks pretty good, but you'll notice our blurred background is moving around. We want just a still for that. To fix this, position your time marker. At the beginning of the timeline, right-click your blurred clip and select Add Frame Hold. Now when we play back our video, we have a nice blurred border effect. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.